1. Go to staking.kommunitas.net. 2. Stake your KOM. Please stake at least 3,000 KOM to get 1 KOM fee. You can watch the tutorial of how to stake your KOM here. 3. Once you've successfully staked your KOM, add the KOMV token to your wallet. 4. Go to launchpad.kommunitas.net. 5. Connect your wallet. 6. Scroll down, click on the Upcoming tab. 7. Choose the project that you want to participate on. 8. Scroll down to the bottom of the project's card, then click on Participate. 9. You've successfully voted for the project that you wanted to participate. Now, you just have to wait for the project sale to start. 10. Once the sale starts, go to the Active tab. 11. Click on the project's card. 12. You can see the status of the project at the top corner of the project's card. Preparation period, Booster 1, Booster 2, FCFS round, and Community round. In the preparation period, you need to prepare USDT, Polygon, or USDT, Binance, or USDT, Arbitrum. Booster 1 is for those who have staked their KOM, at least 3,000 KOM, and voted for the project. In Booster 2, if there are unsold token in Booster 1, those token will be allocated to Booster 2. And those user who is eligible to purchase in Booster 1 can still purchase here. In FCFS round, the leftover allocation from Booster 2 will then be allocated to the FCFS round. Users that stake KOM is still eligible to purchase even if you forgot to vote. Please note that there will be 3% fee in this round. Community round is a round for everyone, including those who do not stake any KOM tokens or miss the chance to stake KOM before the sale starts. Please note that there will be 5% fee in this round. 13. Scroll down, then click on Approve. 14. Click on the Terms and Condition checkbox, then enter the amount of USDT that you wish to purchase. 15. Click on Swap. 16. You've successfully participated on Kommunitas IKO. You can check your total purchase in bottom of the project's card.